The fate of Indiana's near total abortion ban now rests on a circuit court judge. It follows an intense 3-day trial.
Fox 59 State House reporter Hannah Adamson has been following this since day one, and she joins us now with some of those key takeaways.
Prosecutors argue the state's near-total abortion ban is unconstitutional and that the few exceptions the ban allows fail to protect Hoosiers, and that in many cases doctors turn away patients who could qualify for abortion care out of fear they'll be prosecuted. The ACLU of Indiana argued the language in the ban has an unclear definition that gives doctors pause before performing abortions and in some cases delays much-needed care, which could jeopardize the life of the mother even more. The ban also only allows hospitals but not clinics to perform abortion care, something the ACLU is asking the court to change. Now, a big part of this trial focused on patients with mental health concerns. The prosecution argued Hoosier women with severe mental health issues would not qualify for abortion care under the ban. However, the defense argued abortion is not a definitive treatment for mental health. We did hear from Indiana Solicitor General James Barta shortly after the trial concluded. He says the defense focused on 3 things. First, you can't rely on hypotheticals. In other words, the prosecution didn't call forward any witnesses who claimed their rights were actually infringed on. Rather, they relied on the testimony of medical experts. Second, you have to apply precedent to the law, which the defense argues lines up with what Indiana has had on the books ever since it achieved statehood. Third, the ban provides a reasonable judgment exemption medical experts can use to determine whether abortion care is needed. I spoke with an IU law professor about the judge at the heart of this case, the Honorable Kelsey Hanlon, who is expected to release her final decision within the next 60 days.
I think we can trust Judge Hanlon and trust her very strongly to put aside any ideological personal convictions that might dictate a particular outcome here. She has proven her ability to be neutral and consider matters according to the law.
Madeira says whether or not the ban is upheld, the case will most likely go to the Indiana Court of Appeals, further delaying a final decision by several more months. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Hannah Adamson.
Hannah,